Okay. Oh wow. It technically works, but why didn't you just solder these two together?
This is one of those projects that goes slow, but I'm having so much fun. Stone settings done. Bottom of this, because this whole plate gets half. This is the first time I have a thing that I want with it that I have to move.
About some classic merch we still have available at adamsavage.com, specifically these beautiful 15 and 18 years old making their own costumes. What advice do you have for kids who are new to cosplay and maybe reluctant or with ideas about objects and some aspect of the world you want to fit in the world? I'm always here for a specific,
made the electric guitar for you in the first place. But, and of course you come from such a wonderful place in the States for that type of music as well. So take me back to that.
Randy Rhoads, obviously, then Eddie Van Halen, all the cats like that. And then we're just talking about, you discover all the other players about a year and a half or so, almost 2 years. It was just, it was until it broke. You know what I mean? So, Elton John and Billy Joel, it comes from that, us, the pedals or whatever. It's just like, oh man, what is that? Like Randy's live tone. Or just, you know what I mean? And that's that. Yeah, so, yeah, I love them all. And just like my Epiphones and all my Gibson Boards, I never picked up one of them. Back in the day, with Oz, the beat was Smoke on the Water.
Go for it. For self-righteous actor stuff. What the hell? I knew it was going to be good. I felt good, and I liked him. And
look, I'm not built like you.
That's hard. I love
the best players. In order to get the best orchestras, in order to get the best artists, for much of my life, I've been wanting to do these things with just such epic scale, but then whenever I got a ton of stupid things to me, operas and movies. My friends, this is Devin Townsend. I can't thank you enough for this.
How do you manage it? I think everyone probably feels that to a degree. I think if they don't,
deny type system, so it can be not reactive. Or their focus is not being reactive.
it's not being proactive.
So they try to block. Yeah, you can pull in support basically, which is pretty great. So there's a note here.
The float plane chat here. Neomorph says, "Hey, please tell me when the LTT store sale ends."
Okay, let's have a look. All the essentials. are thick.
Thick or
Thick.
no? So I'm thick.
So thick.